Hello guys, I'm going to switch some things up today. Here's more of my drawings, quick. The same ones I already showed you, most of them. Well, anyway, my mom makes fairies for me, and I'm just going to show you guys some fairies that my mom had made for me. I made a couple of them, but not many, but this is one of them. I don't know if you can see that good, but that's a fairy that my mom actually made. It's really, really nice. Yeah. That's kind of supposed to look like my dad. And then, we have this one that my mom just made randomly. She's a mom. See, she has kind of roses on the bottom. You can't really see because I don't got the best right here, but that's her face. And my mom actually paints that. That's really cool. My mom also makes, this one. Okay. She's really cool. How detail my mom is. So, okay, this is my Uncle Aaron. Okay. This is going to make my Aunt Louise, but we didn't get the chance to make her yet. This was my first one ever. Her name's Autumn. I'm not sure with all the names, so that's why I couldn't remember. I don't know who, I don't have her name Autumn, but I just couldn't remember her name because she was my first one, so that's Autumn. Well, I can't show you the that's Autumn. There. Okay. I found a baby too. My mom actually makes little kids. So I wrote that down. So there's the little baby. I don't know, but I love babies. So cute. So there's that little baby. She makes all the faces like I said. I'm not going to be able to show you all. I'm going to show you the rest on my next video. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. See you later.